Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today I received, actually about 2 weeks ago, I received this Seesii RT800L extended ratchet. It's battery operated. You can see I'm usually a Milwaukee guy. I love my Milwaukee tools, but sometimes those things are really expensive, and if you are at home DIY enthusiast, this might be something for you. These things cost 90 bucks. I think I saw them online for, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna see what's inside this box. And then in a couple days, I got some side jobs coming up right now. I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna put it to the test and see how it works out. What I do like about it, it's only a 40 foot-pound wrench, so it's not too rough or not going to be too tight on doing like tune-ups and stuff, taking off engine covers and just doing stuff with this. This is the Seesii battery-operated ratchet, and we're looking at the model number RT800L. There'll be links in the description below to purchase one of these. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this box actually. It's supposed to come with extra batteries and stuff, so it just keeps going for you, which I really like. Oh, you know what? It comes in a pretty cool carrying case too. Here's the box. Nice little bag. Pretty nice. Looks pretty sturdy too. For 90 bucks, so far so good. Oh, it comes with sockets and stuff too. All right, here in the bag, it's Velcroed down, is the actual battery operated ratchet. It looks pretty nice. It's actually pretty heavy too. It's not really light. Feels sturdily made just by touching it. It feels really, really good. I'm actually surprised about how good this thing feels. So the ratchet's in this bag. We have some sockets. These are going to be metric sockets and a 1/4 inch adapter, which is going to be really helpful. So 1/4 inch adapter, the infamous 10 millimeter that we all lose. What else we got? 17, 14. I should probably go in order. Let's try that again. So we got the 10, a 12 millimeter. They look pretty sturdy too. They're not really light, which I really, really like. 12 and 13 millimeter, and 11 out of order again. The 15, a 14, nothing's in order, story of my life, and a 17 millimeter. So these sockets come with it. We have one battery and a charger. So I was wrong on the extra batteries, and a user manual. Again, this bag feels pretty, oh no, I lied, there's 2 batteries. So we got 2 batteries, the manual, the bag. This is everything you get for 90 bucks. Links in the description below to purchase one of these. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Stay tuned. I'm going to be testing this thing out in a couple days. I'll be posting videos on how I like it. I'm going to charge these batteries up and we'll give this thing a try. And I will let you know on the next video. So the Seesii RT800L battery operated ratchet looks pretty dope. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Stay tuned. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. And if there's something out there that you think I should check out, give a try, comment below. Yeah. Thanks for watching Scotties Hobbies. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.